Today's park hours, 10 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. When you park, you will come over here and then you will have your temperature checked, and they do have ground markers to remind you of social distancing, and then you will have your bag checked, and then from there you will get on your bus, hello, good morning, and head to Volcano Bay. Here's a quick look inside the bus. Everybody is spread out in their group. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
This is Bianca's first time at Volcano Bay. Thank you so much. I really like the tabu system that Volcano Bay has in place here. It's basically like a magic band in a way. I am already seeing hand sanitizer stations here at the front entrance. And look at this. Face coverings are encouraged, but you do not have to wear a face covering while walking around. You do, however, have to wear a face covering when you're dining, bars, merchandise, and as you exit Volcano Bay. Oh my goodness, look at this water park. The face covering has come off, and it feels good to just walk around a theme park and not have to wear a mask. It's gonna be a good day, Bianca. I feel it. Oh, check this out. You can come over here and you can scan your tabu, and it will take a photo with this amazing backdrop. I like the name of this bar, Dancing Dragons. But all the bars are open here at Volcano Bay. The new Cabana Bay Towers look beautiful, and they do offer lockers here at Volcano Bay, but I would highly recommend do not stop at the first set of lockers. Go to the back of the park. Volcano Bay also offers chairs and an umbrella free of charge, and they are scattered 6 feet apart. With the water tubes here at Volcano Bay, after each use, the team members will spray them down and clean them. For your little ones, they do offer an entire kiddie area. This is actually really cool. Dang. As I'm doing my loop around Volcano Bay, each attraction is a ride now, which means no wait. If you needed a return time using your tabu, you would find these machines around the park and scan them, and it would give you a return time. By the way, this is my favorite thing to do here at Volcano Bay, the Aqua Coaster. It's like a roller coaster, but a water slide. If you like tacos, come get your lunch from the Feasting Frog. Really good tacos. Oh, interesting, look at this. Looks like they're doing some construction. Maybe a new ride? We shall find out soon. I just really appreciate the theming that went into creating Volcano Bay. From the plants to the flowers, everything makes you feel like you are in Hawaii. And you can rent cabanas. They are a little pricey, but they are very nice. There's 2-story cabanas here. And just to show you how big Volcano Bay is, it is a really good size. You can find designated smoking areas throughout Volcano Bay. Okay, let's get a locker, but it looks like we have to wait in a line to get a locker due to social distancing. And you do have to pay for your lockers here. We went with the smallest locker, $9, but they have a regular locker for $13, and I think a extra big locker for like $18 or $20. I think it should be free, honestly. One of the only few things that are currently open right now, the wave pool. It's like everything is down or does not open until 11 o'clock. I don't really know what's going on. It's a little frustrating, but we're still trying to make the most out of our day. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay. The waves have started. Let's hop in. Oh, these waves are nice. Well, one of the lazy rivers has reopened, thank goodness. So we're hopping in. Bye. We are about to go through the volcano. About to do the Aqua Coaster. And when you are waiting to get onto the ride during the queue, there are ground markers to keep the social distance. We just got off the Aqua Coaster. What did I tell you?
That was so thrilling. I loved it. Definitely recommend.
Here's what some of the other cabanas look like. These are really nice. Personal locker, refrigerator, towels. Pretty cool. About to go through the volcano. How have you been the past 3 months?
Oh, I've been doing quite well. It definitely got confusing there for a little while.
It's still a little confusing.
Yes, Vaughn was alone in the cave for quite some time. Vaughn was like, hello.
We are now making our way to the top of the volcano to do these 2 drop slides. But the only thing, there are a lot of stairs to get us up to the top. These stairs are not fun at all. It's like they don't end. You good back there, babe? Look at this. We can see I-4, fun spot, the Orlando Eye, Star Flyer, and then Disney is right over here. We can see Epcot. This park is massive. We just did the drop ride, dropped us 10 feet in a very high, intense water slide, ending up right here. I do really like how Volcano Bay has these shoe nets, so you don't have to walk around barefoot. You can put your flip-flops on these little nets and then go on the ride. We just got off, oh yeah, and that is this purple slide. And it'll drop you, I don't know, what, 5 or 6 feet down into 10 feet of water. It was really fun. The clouds are looking a little dark though. By the way, make sure you remember to bring towels when coming to Volcano Bay, because I really thought they were giving out towels to use while being here, but they don't, so we had to buy towels. All right guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and call it a day here at Volcano Bay. It was a lot of fun, but it wasn't the best of reopening, just because half of the water attractions are not open. The water park is also not fully staffed, and I can understand that because it's not busy at all, and running these water attractions do cost money. Now, don't get me wrong, I am still very glad to be here at Volcano Bay and back at the Universal Orlando Resort, but I just feel like Volcano Bay was unorganized compared to the 2 theme parks here at Universal. Anyway, those are just my thoughts, but the weather is starting to get pretty bad. But before I end the vlog, I want to take you back to a few days ago, because we have been having really crazy weather with this tropical storm. And also, I was on NBC Nightly News with Lester Holt the other day, so I want to show you guys those clips, and then let's end the video. We are currently under a tornado warning
that whole entire line
here in Central Florida.
Is going to continue.
Oh geez.
Outside right now, which gives us a view of what's going on outside our station. You can see the wind kind of blowing around. There's that brand new tornado warning day, and I knew they were going to do that. The temperature checks, ride distancing, and face masks.
I can't believe it. Oh my gosh! I am smiling ear to ear. Wow! 8 seconds. That was pretty crazy, but very cool, right? A huge thank you to NBC for reaching out to me to use 8 seconds of my video. That is huge for the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here, because we do this quite often. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice, and YouTube, I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming.
I am feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from yours?